What's going on, you guys? So for today's tutorial, I'm just going to be doing a quick look on how to do Emma Chamberlain's intro. So first of all, you're going to need two apps. CapCut Pro is not free, but if you get the Pro version, it is like $5 or $6, not really sure. It is worth the money, so you guys do not have a watermark. But Documents is completely free, and that's the main thing you will be needing. Well, both of them are really needed, but you're going to open Documents. And you're gonna go, I have this open, but when you download Documents, it's gonna look like this. And at the bottom right, you're gonna see a Safari logo, and you're gonna wanna swipe that to the left. And what that's gonna do, and it's gonna take you into a browser. I have defont.com pulled up with the SpongeBob font, and I will have this link down below so you guys don't have to type this in. But you're just gonna copy that link, bring it back into Documents, and it should take you to this. And you're gonna want to, of course, download this file, so click download, and it's gonna come up as a zip file, and you're gonna click save at the top right, and then down at the bottom it's gonna show the bottom left corner. You're gonna swipe to the right so that it opens this back up, and you're gonna click downloads and find your file. It is gonna look like a zipped up file, and so you're gonna obviously click it, and it's gonna open up a TTF, and it's gonna look like this blue one I did this video 3 times, so it obviously showed up 3 times. But you're gonna click on the top right hand corner, and you're gonna click edit and select whichever one. I'm just gonna do this one, and then at the bottom right hand corner it's gonna say more right next to the delete button, and you're gonna click that, and then you're gonna click share, and then this should pop up, and you're gonna click copy to CapCut Pro, and then this is gonna take the font into CapCut and get it ready. So once you have this, it's gonna say install. It's gonna say it's installed, but mine doesn't because I already installed it. So you're gonna go to wherever you want the font. I'm gonna come out of this just so I can give you guys a cooler example. I'm gonna create a new movie just as you guys would if you were starting a new one. I'm gonna put a photo in. So I have this one. Okay guys, so I have this solid blue background. If you guys do want this, I will have the download link to this specific background in the description box, and this is kind of like hers, and so you're just gonna click the plus button again and click text, and you're gonna find the text, or you're gonna type whatever you want. So I'm just gonna do Emma Chamberlain. And at first it won't have this font because obviously you won't have it selected yet, but you're going to use the scroll bar at the bottom, and you're going to go to fonts, and you're going to select my fonts, and if it doesn't show up, it should show up after you press reload my fonts, and you will have her font here to select. And this is how you do it. If you want to move this over so you can add in the sound effect, that is always available. If you guys do want to download the sound effect, all you have to do is download this video and crop it out so that only the part where the sound effect is. But the sound effect is called Golf Hit or something like that. So you can look up Golf Hit on YouTube and you should be able to find the sound effect. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching this. I can't really show you what it's like, but if you did watch the beginning of the video, it is really like Emma Chamberlain's intro. So if you guys have any questions, I know this tutorial was really quick and kind of rushed through, but if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Also, if you guys could please give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want more. I could give you guys a tutorial on how to do more of her stuff, or if you guys just like this video in general, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and give me suggestions down below. Thanks.